that Miss Lori is a farmer. And on her farm, she had some chickens. E-I-E-I-O. Okay, guys, ready? Let me see your chicken dance. Miss Lori had a farm, and on the farm she had some quacking chickens. Okay, now that's chickens awesome. All right, so this is what I have. At my farm, I have 10 chickens that I have been blessed with. What would be a tithe or a tenth of that? 1 out of the 10 I could give to the Lord. You say, Miss Lori, God does not need any chickens. And I would say, you're right. But you know what? Maybe one of his kids would like one. How many of you guys like going to Chick-fil-A? I know you do. So I can just say, all right, this chicken is going to Chick-fil-A and they're going to cook her for dinner. And then a lot of you guys could have Vanna for lunch. What Miss Lori wanted to show you guys is that all of us have been blessed. Say, I'm blessed.
I'm blessed.
I've been given to.
I've been given to.
So I can give.
So I can give.
So tonight and every night, you're going to be able to give, guys. And I want you guys to be able to reach down and give deep from your heart, happily, not grumpily. Okay? And if you can, remember, you can give a tenth of whatever you have. And I think I've heard that we're going to have a contest. Thank you, chickens. You can waddle back to your seats. I think I heard we're having a contest. Is that right, Pastor G?